All right, here we are, Hotel Bellyard, or Bellyard, depending on where you're from. Room 803, 8th floor. May your belly never grumble. May your heart never ache. May your horse never stumble. May your cinch never break. Oh, God, such inspiration. So here we are in Atlanta. I think it's just King something or the other. Big shower. There you go. Separate water closet. Not much to talk about there. Yeah, we got some. Here. Here we go. Look at the concrete ceiling. It's pretty tall in here. Lots of wood. Got a little. Very nice. Hey, it's Atlanta. Sweet Jesus. And there's Bill and Wendy on their porch having a sangria. Say hi to them. All right, so once again, the Bellyard, here we are. There's your room tour.